In today's business world, you may be hearing a lot about soft skills. And what do soft skills really show us? They show us character. They tell us who you are inside as a whole person. It tells us what kind of leader you might be, how you might interact with people, how you might handle a situation with compassion, with empathy. They're character traits that we live by. So something that might sound like a good character trait is I'm going to read you a letter, part of a letter that I got from my mom. And it's quite magnificent. She said, "It seems, Shelley, you have so much talent and that you are willing to share with everyone. You're always there to help and make us all feel wonderful. I am truly blessed to have you as a daughter, and it's no wonder you have wonderful, true friends. You are a true delight, and I love you from the bottom of my heart and more than I can ever express. Love, Mom." I read this several times with tears and a lump in my throat and a pang in my heart. But if my mother outlined those as soft skills, as character traits, it might tell you the kind of person that I am, the leader that I might be. Actually, it's interesting reading it about yourself. And maybe that's just it. Hearing it from other people and working with others and communities of supporting women and men that could show us our true soft skills.